Yeah. So hey buddy. Today we are going to discuss about example of filling tank and mix liquid. And here we have to use one pump which is provide the flow of liquid of our tank. And this is the tank. This is blue line are denoted of our tank. And this is the middle one is the mixture which is the mix our two liquid. Okay, and this is the heater and this is the flow meter which is pro forward the liquid from the tank and reduce the liquid from the tank. This one is okay. So firstly we will take a here we will take a inputs device and output device. These are okay. In input devices we will take a start push button, stop push button, and level sensor. We will take here we will
Sorry,
take three
Mr.
devices. Yeah.
My question, what I was surprised, why the pumps are not considered the input devices. And I can see there are several pumps, more than one.
In the input devices.
Yeah, because to fill a tank, a pump is a major instrument to be used. Why are they
No,
not connected?
pump is the output device.
Pump with the output device.
Yes, pump is the output device because it's have a motor. Okay, pump simply pump are not a motor. Okay, pump are connected to the motor which is flow our liquid. Okay, which is push the liquid. Are you understand
So
what I'm saying?
where is the direction of flow? Is it not from pump one up to heater, then goes to the mixer, or the direction of flow?
Yeah. Flow. Okay.
Direction,
Yeah. Okay.
direct.
Just yeah. Okay. Just wait. I'm sharing the software screen. Okay, which is more benefit to you. Yeah. This is our software. Okay,
Okay.
and I am going to the batch simulation. Yeah, this one. Okay, and here we will make a logic which is controlled to this system. Okay, simple. We here we will took a simple program. Okay, in this program we have one input. Okay, which is we are going to giving the address. We can we can put the address from this table, and we can also put the put the address from this. Just move the circle on the start and just click the address and push here. So it's automatically fill the address of our input instruction. Okay,
Mm.
so this is our start push button. Okay, here we can mention the star push button. Okay, and in the what will happen after pressing the start push button, our pump are release the liquid. Okay, so we will connect a coil, output coil. Okay, and we will put a address of pump 1, and we have to write here pump 1. Okay, so when we are pressing the start push button, so it will flow the signal of our pump. Okay, and our pump
Oh,
are running. Okay, and
okay.
this one flow meter sends the flow of liquid. Okay, which
Yeah.
speed are maintained from the liquid. Okay, so flow meter are sense the liquid form. Okay, and our pump are provide the flow. Okay, flow of liquid
Okay.
of our tank. And after filling the tank, we will here we have a high level sensor. Okay, level sensor, we have two level sensor in this example. One is that a low level sensor, and second is that high level sensor. Okay, so here we will put a input instruction, because our level sensors are comes in the input devices. Okay, so we will take a input instruction here, and we will put address here. Okay, and you can edit the symbol of the name high level sensor. Okay, high level
Okay.
sensor. And our high level sensor sense the liquid where our tank are full. Okay, and after full the tank, after full the tank, our pump are stopped. Okay, we want here stop our pump, so we will change this instruction. Okay, this instruction we will change if we are stopping the pump when it will full. When our tank are full, so our pump are automatically stop. So we will connect the normally close instruction here. Okay, because this instruction are provide the stop condition. Okay,
Okay, fine.
yeah, and we will create a new rung next. And when our high level sensor are operate. Okay, so we can take this here, and we can copy this. Okay, and after the high level sensor, we will put a output coil, and we will put a mixture address. Okay, after the sense of high level sensor, we want to mix our liquid. Okay, we want to mix our liquid with the mixture. Okay, so we will put
Okay,
the
fine.
address of mixture here, and we will give the name mixture. Okay, so one thing that it's here this is the holding. Okay, holding operation comes of a pump one, because when we are pressing the start push button, so our pump are running mode. Okay, our pump are fill of our tank, so this condition is automatically attached. Okay, automatically attached of our pump in the running mode. Okay, so okay, this one is okay. And if you want to stop our mixture, so we can put a normally open instruction here, and we can give a address of stop push button here. Here this is a stop push button, here is the start push button. Okay, and now we will go to the download to the PLC. Our program are going to download of our PLC, and we will go to, after downloading, we will go to the online mode and run mode. Okay, after running this program, so this one, what is that? This is the stop push button. Okay, uh, this is the, yeah, this one is our stop push button. Okay, and this high level sensor is this. Okay, this is our high level sensor, and this instruction is also our high level sensor. Okay, and this instruction, this output coil mixture, this is our mixture. Okay, and this is the pump, so this is our pump 1. Okay, and this is our start push button. So this is our start push button, and this system is the holding. Okay, so hold our its operation. This operation holds our pump condition. When it will on, so it will hold the situation. If it will on, so it's continuously on after release the start push button. Okay, so let's do it when we are pressing the start push button. So look at, so when we are pressing the start push button, so I release this push button. Okay, so it will automatically fill. Okay, automatically fill the liquid with the help of pump 1. Okay, if we will connect one more instruction with the addressing of pump 2, so it will also run. Okay, so here we will connect a pump 1, so pump 1 is on, and after full of the tank, our high level sensor are sense the liquid when our liquid are full, okay, in the tank. So it's automatically our mixture are automatically run. Okay, so this condition and this condition here is follow of our signal. Okay, are you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you doubt in this?
What I was wondering in the PPT
Okay, okay.
pumps, but in the simulator pump we have today, so that one is more easy to understand.
Yeah. And when we will push our stop push button, so our mixture are stop, as you can see. Okay, when it will release, so it will automatically run. When it will stop, so it will stop. Okay.
So can you share that software to me?
Yeah, sure. I will share you. Yeah. And after this, we will go to the offline mode. So after going to the offline mode, it will automatically stop it. Okay, and we can go offline. Okay, so any doubt from this exercise? Hello. Hello, Moshe. Can you hear me?
Sorry, Mr. Ashish, I had a call.
Okay.
Can you
Okay.
continue that?
Yeah. So have you understood about now about that?
Yeah, now I've understood.
Okay.
So let me see. Yeah, I had also a problem on latching.
On latching.
Yeah,
Okay.
starting from
Okay.
slide number 7.
Okay. I will tell you. Yeah. Just look the simulation software. Yeah. So what is the latching? Okay, I will tell you. So before going to the latching path, I will tell you something brief of the about the software. Okay. So this is our simulation panel. Okay, and this is the our program panel where we will create our program. Okay, so this is the program.
Sorry, how do you open that left hand in that simulator BCD and the simulator IO? How do you open it in a software?
Software, simply
Yeah.
click the icon. I will send the software to you. When I will send you, then click on the icon, so it will open. like that. Okay, just here, just look. This is the new icon. Okay, when we will push this icon, so it will create the new project. Okay, and we can give the name like control. Okay, and these are the protocols. Okay, these are the CPU protocols, which will we can take this according to our application. Okay, so simply we can take this micrologics 1000. Okay, and after the double click, it will open this like. Okay, and you can change the simulation panel from these simulations. These are the exercise. Okay, these are the exercise like door simulation and
Oh,
silo simulation,
okay. Where is that of tank field?
traffic simulation,
Okay,
batch simulation,
okay.
BCD simulation, dual compression simulation.
What is the meaning of BCD?
BCD is the binary to decimal. Okay, it's a
Oh,
numerical part. Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
when we will going to the mathematics, so it will grow up. Okay, like binary, like decimal, like integer, like real numbers, like floating numbers. Okay, so these are the this. Okay, so like decimal, hexadecimal. Okay, when it will change, then our logic are run according to our this. Okay,
Okay, fine.
like that. And we have bottle line simulation, and we have elevator for simulation. Okay, so this is our software exercises.
Okay. That software, where do you get it in normal mode? Can you download it?
No, it's not a free simulation software. If you want to download this software, so it will demo version. Okay, and it's only applicable for 14 days. Okay, only for
Oh,
14 days. This is a demo software. If you are downloading this, and you will get after downloading input first exercise and door simulation and silo simulation. Only three exercise you will get after downloading demo software. Okay, but
okay.
you will purchase this software from me, so I will give you the full access of all exercises. Okay, which is more beneficial for you for
Okay, so
understanding them.
is it the purchasing price to you? Is it inclusive of the one I paid during orientation for this program, or I have to pay once again?
No, our fees are uh, alag.
Inclusive.
No. Our software are extra charges. Okay, because software have extra charges, and our fees and material have extra charges. Okay,
Oh,
okay.
so how much are you,
Both are separately.
okay, how
Yeah.
much are you going to charge me
It's only 1500 INR.
in USD?
In the USD, just wait. I want to connect to them. Yeah, approximate $20.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. You send it to me. I will pay when I have money.
Okay.
But you
Okay.
send to me so that I can continue practicing.
Yeah. And I want to just to share one more thing. When you will send the money, na, so in the transaction charge, it's missing. If you are sending me of $10, so I will get only $8. Okay.
Oh,
Because our transaction charges are lowest $2.
okay.
Okay.
So you include it in on sending the request. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah,
can
you include it. No
I
problem.
okay, so I will send the $25 of request.
Okay,
Okay.
fine,
Yeah,
fine, fine.
on the same pathway.
Okay.
Okay. So as per our discuss, this is our simulation panel. Okay, and this is our program panel. Okay, and I will share that thing. Okay, this is our instruction panel. Okay, which we can create our logics. Okay, our instruction are uses for our logics. Okay, you can click on that icon, so our instruction are changed automatically. Okay, different instructions have different works. Okay, and these are the advanced instructions like BLS, BSR, SQC, SQL, FFL, FFU. Okay, uh, ASCII controller strings. Okay, these are the advanced instructions. Okay, and yeah, this is the main instruction icons table, and these are the offline, online, and download to the PLC options. Okay, and these symbols are showing and control the and help to create a new logic. Okay, and in the second icon, show, it can be used for open the program. If you have a already created a program in your laptop, in your PC, so you can directly open from this icon. And this icon are showing our it will use for the save program. Okay, and this icon are print our programs. Okay, and we have these options for that: files, edit, simulation, settings, comms, communication. Okay, comms means communication, and it's a help. Okay, so these are the simulation. We have edit, insert rung, append rung, file, new, open, save the rung as a picture, print, exit. Okay, so this is our software, and
Mr.
you have,
Ashish, sorry,
yeah,
sorry, sorry, Mr. Ashish.
yeah.
After writing the program, I'm
Okay,
thinking on how if you have a hardware PLC,
okay.
how do you manage to, to, to send it direct to the PLC?
What our logic?
Yeah, sending the instructions from the computer where you have developed it to the PLC. Maybe you have a certain PLC in the industry, you want to put it inside. How do you do it?
It's a communication. Just wait. I will show a one cable. I have a Ethernet cable. Okay, it can be. We can use a RS 485 for 422 cable, and we can use also RS 232 cable, and we can also use our Ethernet cable for the communication of our between our PLC and laptop as well as PC. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Do you have an example of a PLC picture there?
PLC
Maybe
picture.
you go
Yeah.
to the first slide.
Yeah. Just give me. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, this is our panel, which is created by our PLC. Okay. This PLC is our 11,000. Okay. Micrologics 1100 micrologics PLC we will use for the creating this panel. Okay, so I just make the big, yeah, and I have this one. Okay, so this is our PLC. Okay, and this is our connects, जिसको we can say that also contacts. Okay, which is connected to the one terminal to other terminal. Okay, and this is our relay tray. Okay, it can be sometime it can be say that relay base. Okay, relay control base and relay tray, which is control our outputs. Okay, and this is our switch circuit breaker. This is our circuit breaker. Okay, and this is our SMPS. Okay, switched mode power supply. Okay, which is convert the 230 volt AC to 24 volt DC. Okay, because our PLC are operated in 24 volt DC. Okay, so this SMPS provide the power supply of our PLC. Okay, and this is our exhaust fan, which is connect to our relay based. Okay, and relay based are connected to our PLC. PLC's output. Okay, and as you know, our PLC have in the input terminals and output terminals. So in the output terminal, we have to connect our exhaust fan, and these are 6 light. Okay, 6 LEDs we have to connect in our output terminal, and in the input terminal we have to connect our push buttons. Okay, here we have to use our three NO push button and 3 NC push button. Okay, normally open push button and normally closed push button. Okay. Okay, got it?
Sorry, I'm asking you on the port that you will take instructions from your computer to
Yeah.
the
This
PLC.
one, this one. I highlighted it.
Oh,
This cable.
okay.
Yeah, this cable are connected to our PC.
Okay.
Okay.
And where do you command it in your program to take instructions from the PC to the PLC?
When we are going to download our program in the software, so it will our program are going to our PLC with the help of communication cable. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. And I will share a one video on WhatsApp, so you can more understand about the hardware things. Okay.
Sorry, can you move more to the next slide of that?
Yeah. This is a Micrologic 1100 PLC. Okay, as you can see, yeah, this is a Micrologic 1100 PLC, and this is the our input terminals. Okay, uh, these are our input terminals, which is used for connecting the input devices. Okay, here you can see the DC com. Okay, and here you can see the input output. Okay, and here you can see the number of inputs: input 1, input 2, input 2, input 3, input 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these PLC have 10 inputs. Okay, total inputs is the 10 in this PLC. Okay, and yeah.
So Mr. Chish, I don't know if you can share to me also that those slides. You refused the last time. I don't know how to do that.
Sorry.
Can you share to me that slide, please? So
Okay,
that
okay,
I can.
okay, no problem. I will do that. Okay.
Okay, so I have a guest, so I think that I do request you stop now and we continue later. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Yeah, I've got a guest.
I can send right now.
Yeah, just send to me right now. If there are the next PPTs after those one I completed, you will share to me also.
Okay.
Oh,
After after completing
the end?
after completing
Those,
this after completing
yes.
this PPT, we will do that. Okay. So these we will discuss this output terminals. Okay, these in the bottom side we have output terminal in the PLC. Okay, and PLC specifications. Okay, so every PLCs have a decal. It can be say that our label. Okay, which have all specifications, all details of the PLCs. Okay, like that. This PLC is the Allen Bradley logo. Okay, and Micrologics 1100.
Okay, sir. We will continue. We will continue. We will continue.
Yeah, and this is
Okay.
the model number. Yeah.
We will continue. We will continue next time.
Next slide. Okay.
Next
And
time. Next time. Next time.
next time. Okay.
Yeah, next time.
Okay.
I've
No.
got a guest.
Okay. No problem. No problem.